and the MPP communicate to Biano Coca so you or Noah His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And the Gina Simpiasuka say, I have developed the dead goat syndrome. Mojedian. Obeti yase akukọ bi ewu ha na Mr. Mahama wa ye nani kukuru atwa ne konia no wa share space no ma se tuntum solidarity yase ka bi akonya accident Asiedu Nketia ya ne ho te say yi abebie ne tese sa papa ne de ne ho ya manhia ama because o ya bronza wo papa bronza metesa wo de wo yire no ma betena Canada Ay3ka agri Asiedu Nketia wo de wo yire no ma betena Ghana Yarefuo and our person sabi yani ayede yankrofo ye fortunate yen we are party sika yan koto blocks ba ko ma Ghana fonje ye more than 150 Ghana enti yen miska ye de yankrofo bebe brochire sabi yen $50 kakra ye de ma ye ayi sabi yen nwan mo Ghana didi no wo se won kwasia party yen dis ya Yarefuo mojakegu party bebe ntino yen dey bodamfuo te se una mo se man man Asiedu Nketia befa wo yire no mafri Canada na fo mu ko Ghana na onu mu ko ye demonstration ni yenku am te se moa abodamfo party anyansa nim apapafo a party mu ni na mapam wo mu ni na because you guys don't want the truth apapafo a wo NDC mu ni na mapam wo mu ni na mo di boka enkurasefo leaders you to me catch now say wo ye babu no a menko school de we yan say wo ko ne ebisa say wo certificate wo hina according to Joshua Kamba you will stand up boss our manager and Nusra catch and say that is your certificate. This is the kind of stupid leaders you want to give us Ghana. NDC for any MPP for after the Majimani so on live TV ABA Fusemi Abba Fusemi Jina Oka say if Kufuadu thinks he's going to have the chance he had in 2017 to 2020, he should think again. Why? They are going to oppose everything they do. They said it before even Parliament started, and they never look back. They never look back. We shall make this country ungovernable. And that's how Yarefuo no who come Pentecost sorry them ni ye frɛ Ay3ka Yarefuo for some pofo mojahwiagu ni for some pofo to me the nsatom propose say oye Ay3ka nyankopɔ betia mo ka mako. God will punish all of you for not putting your country first and putting a stupid party that took Ghana hostage, took Ghana back, and still always doing the same bullshit. Enough is enough. We came to meet a democracy to whom much is given, much is tested. You cannot rule a country for 27 years and come and attack somebody who has just spent 5 years. Say he has to fix everything. Moya bodamfuo more. Mr. We NDC for we 100 there. Mienu and ya correct. And Kayemi ni na boka because do I papa kakra woman is got is yana jene besesa. The onya papa ne dia said one there woman moja kro benum. Until a Kufuado time, Zongo was never mentioned in the budget of Ghana. I want anybody who can show me the budget that included Zongo people. The people who NDC only saw say they are good for snatching ballot box. While President Kufuado is busy paying Arabic teachers, building Arabic and Islamic schools. Another demonic party is saying, we are going to legalize Okada for you because we know it is your people that does Okada more. When we finish, we shall give you mortuary Samole. When you die on the Okada, we have a place to put you. And this is the stupid party you want to kill yourself for. You are from the north. Once upon a time, there was a Northerner who was holding the flag of Ghana high. Dr. Hillel Leman, His Excellency. Somebody came and tell you, say, you people from the north, you are not smart enough to lead the country. So he did a coup and kicked you out and made you backbenchers. I'm over to check ballot box. Abudu, hey, now Bukashi, some kwasia, some kwana NDC, God for you people. Yeah, kotu abadia, and you himself don't go for a macho. Yeah, kotu abadia, say, langa de dia, you himself you call zongwa, ye. At then and there, Honorable Mustafa Hamid is an example. Haruna Idrisu, he is an example. Abambabe, or your example. Why don't you want to be like those people? Those people went to free education, collected double salaries, cheated the system, and are in parliament cutting blade. Your senior sister couldn't go to school because of money. With all the intellect you yourself had, you were not able to go to free education because of money. You were even able to go to school. The only thing you were not able to do was to register for exams because you couldn't pay exam fees. Now, under Nana Akufo-Addo, you are getting all these things at your fingertips, and you tell me you have gained nothing? For those of you who have been following me since I started Political Zone, the day we chose Abambabe, I came on my page and I did a show. Sister Cynthia and them who are here, Sister Jane, you guys will attest to this. Me catch them say, sa current age parliament way, say omu to me pass 20 bills to crack omu to me pass here. And government only policy. There be any policy. Into momo de ene de. Ye de ene say ye kana wa mpenia near the veranda boys ne. Ay3ka boys ni mule Yarefuo no near the omaba near Meska kakrama okateche free fan money fix the country for no ma share Yarefuo be to say Kofi blade no yellow say mon konko ye away demonstration na wadwene ye adwuma for the first time wo de also we so hu ya also we de we Yarefuo we NDC ni Yarefuo na we so hu ya for the first time in our life, in the life of Ghana. Assembly plants they assemble cars abagana we nyansania me nyansani ntini minim say nne na ye hwehwe ne keke wa ha ochine bi beba afi de ye be manufacture parts and things here na mesre wo say kana for pa nti e dia nkura nti mo gidi pa say de betumi asolve ane mahama into my shop as a Mahama and Kwan bet to me as a Ghana for 4 years. What Jimmy Momo be brain watching in Yajumo. Obia ye minister, why ye MP, why ye vice president, why ye president, once Ghana. When you serious, I can't 4 years, but. So now do you see the agenda? Ye metungumene ye ndiska. President Mahama di oba obechiska ubi abedibi.